I am happy that I made the decision to come. It's definitely worth it. At the time when I was registering for the course, AI was not as prominent as it is today. There's been so many new developments that it has influenced the entire analytics field and blown it up to a significant extent. I am happy that I made the decision to come. It's definitely worth it. My facilitator, he didn't just take an academic class. He took the subject matter and he related it to what we do. So a lot of the times we're talking about the way our systems work, the way our organization work, and how AI can use analytics to help us solve problems. So I've gained a lot more skills in solving problems. I'm already texting my team. I was almost texting them on some of the things I discovered that I caught myself and said, no, let me do some more work before I start throwing it out. But I'm excited to implement the things that I've learned. I will also look at other courses that I could do to further expand my view on business management and so many other things that you can offer. But beyond that, I would recommend it. In my role, it's also my responsibility to identify training for my C-suites, my executives, and I think that this is one organization I would recommend for us to do trainings with. We would definitely come back to LBTC. That may be myself, that may be somebody else, but definitely we will do business together again.